In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a real estate agent on Zillow 2026 guide. Reaching out to a professional is the bridge between browsing listings and actually securing a home. And Zillow gives you a few streamlined ways to start that technical handshake. First, open any active property that fits your criteria. On the listing page, look for the Contact Agent button, usually highlighted on the right side or at the top. Click it, then enter your name, email, and phone number so the agent can get back to you quickly. You'll also see a message box. Share a concise note about what caught your eye, your timing, and anything you want to confirm. In 2026, Zillow AI mode can pre-draft this inquiry based on your saved preferences, which makes your message more relevant. Review and personalize it before sending to ensure it reflects your goals. Next, decide who you want to reach. When you use Contact Agent, Zillow often connects you with a premier agent, a local buyer's agent focused on guiding you through showings, offers, and inspections. If you prefer to communicate directly with the seller's representative, scroll down to the overview or the listing provided by section to find the listing agent's information. For sale. By owner homes, look for the contact seller link in the overview. Choose the option that best matches your strategy: a dedicated advocate on your side, a direct line to the seller's agent or the owner themselves for FSBO. If you want to move even faster, try Zillow AI mode. You can speak or type a natural request like, "Can you schedule a tour for this home on Friday?" or "Ask the agent if the roof was recently replaced." The AI will package your request and route it to the right professional through the Zillow Studio network, keeping your communication clear and organized. When you request a tour, you may be asked to sign a touring agreement. This is a common 2026 requirement that covers your initial visit without tying you to a long-term contract with that agent. And if you already have a Zillow Home Loans pre-approval, make sure you're signed in. Your inquiry will display a high intent tag, which often leads to faster responses from top-tier agents. Finally, set yourself up for a quick reply. Be specific about whether you're buying, renting, or simply requesting more photos or details. Include your budget and preferred areas so agents can prioritize your request. Then keep an eye on your Zillow messages, texts, or email. Most agents now use integrated tools and respond within minutes. That's it. Connecting with the right professional turns a listing into a real plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.